Many people search for energy as they grow older, but true vitality does not come from stimulants. It comes from nourishment. Spirulina and chlorella are two remarkable algae that provide dense nutrition and support the facts, body's natural cleansing systems. When the body is well nourished and balanced, energy often returns naturally.
After 60, many people feel tired even after sleeping well. The body feels heavy, the mind feels slow. Most think it is just aging, but sometimes the real cause is deeper. It could be inflammation, poor nutrition, weak circulation, or a body that is struggling to clean and repair itself. That is why two powerful algae supplements are getting attention today, spirulina and chlorella. Many seniors take one of them for energy and detox. But here is the surprising truth. They are not the same. And, choosing the wrong one may give you very little benefit. In this video, you will discover why some experts now say certain seniors may actually need both. The two remedies we are talking about are spirulina and chlorella. Both are microscopic algae. Both grow in water. Both are sold as green powders or tablets, but they are not the same. Their structure is different, their nutrients are different, and the way they support the body is also different. This is why many nutrition researchers now study them separately instead of treating them as identical superfoods. Let's start with spirulina. Spirulina is a blue-green algae that has been used as food for centuries. What makes spirulina special is its very high protein content. In fact, about 60 to 70% of spirulina is protein. That is extremely high for a plant-based food. For seniors, this matters because muscle loss increases after the age of 50. When the body does not get enough quality protein, muscles weaken, recovery slows, and fatigue becomes more common. Spirulina provides essential amino acids that the body needs for repair and energy production. Spirulina is also rich in a powerful pigment called phycocyanin. This compound gives spirulina its deep blue-green color. But, it does much more than just color the algae. Phycocyanin works as a strong antioxidant. It helps the body fight oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a process where unstable molecules damage cells. Over time, this damage can contribute to fatigue, inflammation, heart problems, and many age-related conditions. Studies have shown that spirulina supplementation may help reduce markers of inflammation and support overall metabolic health. Another reason spirulina attracts attention is its possible role in blood pressure and cholesterol support. Several modern clinical studies have found that spirulina supplementation may help reduce systolic blood pressure and improve lipid profiles in some adults. For seniors, this is important. Blood pressure and cholesterol tend to rise with age. When circulation becomes less efficient, the body may feel constantly tired. Supporting cardiovascular health can indirectly improve daily energy levels. Spirulina also contains iron and important micronutrients. Iron plays a key role in forming hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen in the blood. When oxygen delivery is poor, people feel weak and exhausted. Some research suggests spirulina may help improve certain blood markers related to anemia, especially in older adults. This does not mean spirulina replaces medical treatment, but it shows why this algae is often associated with improved vitality. Now let's talk about the second algae, chlorella. Chlorella is a single-celled green algae. It has a thick cell wall that protects its nutrients. Because of this strong wall, chlorella is usually processed so the body can digest it properly. Nutritionally, chlorella is different from spirulina. It is extremely rich in chlorophyll, which is, the green pigment found in plants. Chlorophyll has long been associated with supporting the body's natural detoxification systems. The human body already detoxifies itself through the liver, kidneys, lungs, and digestive system. Chlorophyll-rich foods like chlorella may help support these natural processes. Some studies suggest chlorella may help the body bind certain unwanted compounds in the digestive tract and assist their removal through normal elimination. Chlorella also contains nutrients that are valuable for seniors. It provides vitamin K, antioxidants, minerals, and plant compounds that may support cardiovascular health. Modern research reviews have reported improvements in markers such as LDL cholesterol, total cholesterol, and blood pressure in some individuals taking chlorella supplements. When these markers improve, circulation often becomes more efficient. Better circulation means oxygen and nutrients reach tissues more easily, which can support better physical stamina. Another interesting area of research involves insulin sensitivity and metabolic health. As people age, the body often becomes less efficient at managing blood sugar. Some studies suggest chlorella may help improve insulin resistance and metabolic markers in certain populations. Stable blood sugar helps maintain steady energy during the day instead of sharp crashes that leave people feeling drained. So, when we look at the two algae side by side, we see something important. Spirulina often stands out for its protein, antioxidant compounds, and anti-inflammatory support. It may help support muscle maintenance, circulation, and metabolic balance. Chlorella, on the other hand, is known for its chlorophyll content, nutritional density, and potential support for detox and cardiometabolic health. This difference explains why the debate between spirulina and chlorella can be misleading. Many people assume they must choose one, but they actually support the body in different ways. Understanding these differences is the key to deciding how each algae might fit into a healthy routine, especially for adults over 60 who want better energy and long-term wellness. So now the big question appears: if spirulina and chlorella both support health in different ways, should seniors choose one or, actually take both? Many nutrition experts say the answer really depends on the problem a person is trying to solve. Fatigue after 60 rarely comes from just one single cause. It often comes from several small problems happening at the same time, like mild inflammation, poor circulation, weak digestion, nutrient gaps, and slow recovery. When these problems combine, the body begins to feel, constantly tired. This is where the idea of using both spirulina and chlorella begins to make sense. First, let's look again at what spirulina mainly contributes. Spirulina supports the body with protein and powerful antioxidants. After the age of 50, muscle mass naturally begins to decline. This process is called sarcopenia. When muscles weaken, daily activities require more effort. Even simple tasks like walking, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries can feel exhausting. Spirulina provides amino acids that help the body repair and maintain muscle tissue. When muscles stay stronger, energy improves naturally. Spirulina's antioxidant compounds may also help reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is often called silent inflammation because people cannot always feel it directly, but it slowly drains the body's energy and damages cells over time. Spirulina also helps support oxygen transport through the body. Its iron content contributes to healthy red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to every organ and muscle. When oxygen delivery improves, tissues can produce energy more efficiently. This is one reason many people report feeling more energetic after using spirulina regularly for several weeks. Now, let's consider what chlorella adds to the picture. Chlorella supports the body in a different way, It focuses more on nutrient density and maintaining internal balance. Chlorella contains high levels of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is well known for supporting the body's natural cleansing systems. The liver filters toxins from the blood, the kidneys remove waste through urine, and the digestive system eliminates waste through the intestines. When these systems are working smoothly, the body maintains its internal balance. But when they slow down, fatigue and discomfort can really increase. Chlorella may help support these natural detox processes. Some research suggests it can bind certain compounds in the digestive system and assist the body in removing them. Now, this doesn't mean chlorella magically removes every toxin, definitely not, but it may support the body's own cleaning systems so they work a bit more efficiently. Many people describe feeling lighter and less bloated when their digestion improves. Chlorella also supports heart and metabolic health. Healthy cholesterol levels and stable blood pressure are just essential for strong circulation. Blood must carry oxygen and nutrients throughout the body every single second. When blood vessels are healthy and flexible, circulation improves. Better circulation means more oxygen reaches the brain and muscles. This can improve mental clarity and physical stamina, which is pretty great. Another interesting benefit is blood sugar balance. Blood sugar spikes can create sudden energy crashes. Many seniors experience this pattern without even realizing it. They feel energetic after eating, and then suddenly they feel sleepy or weak a few hours later. Some studies suggest chlorella may help support insulin sensitivity. Better insulin sensitivity helps the body control blood sugar more smoothly. When we combine these two algae, we begin to see a complementary pattern. Spirulina helps with protein, antioxidants, inflammation, and oxygen delivery. Chlorella helps support detox systems, metabolic balance, and cardiovascular health. Instead of competing with each other, they may support different systems inside the body. Think of it like maintaining a car. Spirulina helps improve the engine's power and efficiency. Chlorella helps clean the fuel system and keep everything running smoothly. When both systems work well together, the car performs better overall. However, this does not mean everyone must take both supplements. Some people may benefit more from spirulina. Others may respond better to chlorella. The key is understanding personal health goals. Someone struggling with weakness and low protein intake might prioritize spirulina. Someone focused on metabolic health or digestive balance might prefer chlorella. For many seniors, though, the real secret is balance. The body works as one connected system. Energy, circulation, detoxification, digestion, and muscle health all influence each other. Supporting multiple systems at the same time may create a stronger overall improvement than focusing on only one area. This is why the conversation about spirulina versus chlorella is slowly shifting. The better question may not be which one is better. The better question may be how each one supports the body in its own unique way. Before adding spirulina or chlorella to your routine, there are a few important things every senior should understand. Natural supplements can support health, but they are not magic cures. They work best when they are combined with good habits such as balanced nutrition, proper sleep, regular movement, and proper medical care. When these foundations are strong, supplements may provide extra support rather than trying to fix deeper problems alone. So, the first thing to consider is quality. Not all spirulina or chlorella products are the same, These algae grow in water, and if they're produced in poor conditions, they can actually absorb contaminants. Some low-quality products have been found to contain unwanted compounds, like microcystins or even heavy metals. That's why it's really important to buy supplements from trusted brands that test their products for purity. Try to look for companies that publish third-party testing results. Honestly, clean production and quality control make a huge difference in safety. The next point is dosage. Many studies that show benefits from spirulina use daily amounts between 1 and 3 grams. Some research uses slightly higher doses. Chlorella studies often use similar ranges, but seniors should not jump directly into high doses. It is better to start slowly. The body sometimes needs time to adjust to concentrated nutrients. Starting with a smaller amount and gradually increasing allows the digestive system to adapt. This also helps people notice how their body responds. Some individuals should be more cautious. For example, chlorella contains vitamin K, which can affect blood clotting. Seniors who take blood-thinning medications should speak with a healthcare professional before using chlorella regularly. Spirulina may also interact with certain medications or conditions, especially those related to autoimmune diseases. Because supplements can influence the body's systems, it is always wise to consult a doctor or pharmacist when starting something new. Another common question seniors ask is how long it takes to notice benefits. The truth is that algae supplements usually work gradually. They are not stimulants like caffeine. Instead, they support the body slowly over time. Some people report feeling improvements in energy or digestion after a few weeks. Others may need a couple of months to notice meaningful changes. Consistency is more important than taking a large amount once in a while. It is also important to remember that spirulina and chlorella should complement real food, not replace it. Whole foods provide fiber, vitamins, healthy fats, and many compounds that supplements alone cannot deliver. A balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, healthy proteins, and adequate hydration supports the body's natural repair systems. When algae supplements are added to a healthy diet, they may strengthen the overall nutritional foundation. So what is the final verdict for seniors deciding between spirulina and chlorella? The truth is that both algae have unique strengths. Spirulina offers concentrated protein, antioxidants, and compounds that support inflammation balance and circulation. Chlorella provides chlorophyll nutrient density and possible support for detox systems and metabolic health. Instead of competing with each other, they often serve different roles in supporting the body. For some people, choosing one may be enough. For others, using both in moderate amounts may provide broader support. The key is understanding personal health goals and using supplements responsibly. Aging does not have to mean constant fatigue or declining vitality. With the right nutrition, proper lifestyle habits, and smart choices about supplements, many seniors can maintain strong energy, clearer thinking, and a healthier body for years to come.